Researchers in Osaka have turned body fat into bone to heal spinal fractures. They used fat-derived stem cells, turning them into bone-forming spheroids, and then
Hmm.
integrated them with a bone-rebuilding material to, well, strengthen spines in rats.
That's fascinating. So the idea is that fat, which we usually think of as unwanted, can actually be reprogrammed to like regenerate bone tissue.
Exactly. It's like you take these multipotent stem cells from fat tissue, form clusters called spheroids, and
Yeah, right.
pre-differentiate them to become bone cells. Then they mix them with beta tricalcium phosphate, which is, a typical bone substitute material, and apply it to spinal fractures.
And this approach was tested in rats, correct? I mean, how did the rats respond to this treatment?
Yep, that's correct. The rats, which had spinal fractures mimicking osteoporosis-related injuries in humans, showed significant bone healing with improved structural strength in their spines.
Very impressive.
Plus, genes related to bone formation were activated after the therapy.
I see. But don't you think there might be challenges in translating results from rats to humans? I mean, metabolism and scale can be very different.
Well, that's a good point. While the rat model is like an important step, the treatment safety, especially since it's minimally invasive, using adipose-derived cells that are easy to collect, does add
Yeah,
promise.
true.
The idea is that even older adults could benefit, given the accessibility of these cells.
That accessibility really sounds like a game changer for treating osteoporosis and spinal fractures, especially with an aging population.
Absolutely. With Japan's aging demographic, over 15 million people could be affected by osteoporosis and its complications, so a safe, non-surgical option like this could really extend healthy lives. And the method's
Right.
innovation lies in turning fat into something functional, which is so creative.
It almost sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? I mean, turning fat into bone is a dramatic shift in how we think about regenerative medicine.
It sure does. It's kind of wild. And the researchers even mentioned that the process involves stimulating the body's natural healing mechanisms by upregulating bone regeneration genes. It suggests that the treatment not only
That's really
supplies new bone
remarkable.
cells, but also kickstarts the body's own repair system.
Now, that is interesting. But don't you think more studies will be needed, especially on larger animals or human trials, to truly verify this approach's effectiveness and safety?
Absolutely. That's a fair critique. While the initial data is really promising, the next steps will involve um, scaling this treatment to more complex models, ensuring that the process safely translates to human
Yep,
biology.
indeed.
The science is exciting, but caution is key.
So, in short, this breakthrough could lead to a less invasive treatment for osteoporosis and repair spinal fractures, potentially changing the landscape of bone regeneration therapies.
Yeah, exactly. It's like revolutionizing our approach to healing from the inside out using your own body fat, which is innovative and super promising for the future of regenerative medicine.
Right on.